So sure kung paborito ko ba rin siya. I'm just kidding.
But he spots up for free. Had that. Sa labas, Escoto. 5. Sibas has 11 boards. Escoto. Alanes. Book it from downtown. Valenzuela in white. And Marikina in their purple threads. Valenzuela wins the tip. Coliano pitching it ahead to Shaq Alanes. Lester Reyes tries a free, wala.
2 possessions, looking to attack early. This is our third
Habit na, no, pre-game, na meron tayong nagkakaraoke bago mag-start yung player niya.
Kaya bagay sila ni Kuya Jun Dizon, no? Naging teammate ko yan si Kuya Jun. As you see this jumper by CJ Tama.
Diba? You may look at him as tough looking, but when you get to know him, oh, that's a good.
Now I'm not so sure kung paborito ko ba rin siya. I'm just kidding, Gianna, but thank you for that
Slow start.
Kidding aside, you know, you talk about what the league is all about. I've always said this. Just ganda ng recovery daw ni Alabanza doon sa fake hand of Ubuyes. Those splits that he gets the bounce swab.
Ubuyes.
May konting swag din siya eh. Maglaro, pero
So efficient per minute. Obviously, the best in that department is Nick Cabanyero.
To play basketball, and Shaq Alanes ang pinaka-idol daw niya sa MPBL. Una raw sa season na ito, he knew his role isn't to be a shooter. Pero besides Shaq Alanes motivating him, Coach Estong also joked to him,
Oh, Pasajeros bouncing it off the back of Ubaldo and finishing it off with a 7-point lead. Alabanza, one-hander. It trickles in. Coliano comes away with it. Alanes, 3-on-2 fast break. Bounce pass, Jay Coliano finishing with 5 on the shot clock.
nice pass.
Coliano, the cut. Diluwa lang. Stays with it though, and may rebound. Nagmamadali ang Marikina. Santa Ana, sidestep.
Yeah.
Oh, Pasibas cleans it up. Alanes. Pasa ay CJ Alatica with that marvelous spin.
Gario, alati ka na. Uy, palpalo rin. Ni King, no? Even after the ball fake, pero ang ganda ng recovery at nung cut. Looks to be a borderline play-in, play-off team.
Jason Strick doesn't have the numbers, but he spots up for free. Had that slight.
Just say, nakangiti pa rin. Kahit na nabawasan na lang.
Sabi niya, pumindot pa kasi ng isa eh. Kaya nalagdagan eh. Angelo Ubuyes.
Right from my quick score, ang layo ng kanyang pinanggalingan dito sa half court and finish doon sa kaliwa.
Pero ito, panibagong 5 na para sa Marikina. Dire-diretso. Lays it in for... Got in too deep. Pasa kay Jason Strait. Sa labas, Escoto. 5 to the post they go. Coliano against Soriano. Alatica inside. Kissing it off the glass and in.
Pero nanggaling muna, no? Medyo sa likod. And then yung cut sa gitna. Pero sa
Pasibas has 11 boards. Escoto lines it up.
and can do something with the call even though we agree with them.
Soriano na
Certainly working to start the quarter.
Melencio got it over to defenders. Lost it. Santa Ana. The pass. Soriano will finish.
Scoring 18 points already.
Melencio maintains his dribble. He is the one keeping them. Oh, good pass. Pasibas, the reverse.
bigger team. This is exactly what he wanted, that they secure momentum during the second half. Back to you guys.
And that's exactly
Ito na yan, in this quarter alone.
all of his 11 points in the third. Comes away with a steal, and he will lay it in for 2.
Mukhang yung
Ubaldo. Naagaw ni Escoto. Running start. Jetro is ahead. Able to adjust and finish. Nakuha pa ng Marikina ang possession of those missed free throws. Pasa all. Finally buries one from beyond the arc. Jordan Santa Ana off the dribble. Kicks it out to Villarente. High arcing free. Book it. First possession of the fourth. Jordan Santa Ana contorts himself in...
Medyo lumalalim na. Isama ng
Oh.
loob. Pero CJ Alatica.
Oligario nakuha yung rebound. Alanes. Book it from downtown. Andy Pay, the digital wallet built for the community. CJ Alatica goes reverse. How about...
Is usually the one giving the screen. He's been the primary ball handler on that empty corner. Scored twice.
Trying to change things here against Valenzuela. Jack Alanes, though, nails his third trip.
So Stay picked up his dribble.
5 on the shot clock. Escoto. Pupukul ulit sa tres. Oh my goodness! On about it. They go to the post. Collado. They swing it. Alanes spots up. And he hits it.
He's a bad boy.
In the 4-minute mark. Santa Ana trying to escape. Pasibas has a double-double. Away by Santa Ana.
No numbers. Yun lang. Nagkaroon bigla ng free lane. That was a 2.
Pass to Pasaol. Corner pocket free. Pasibas, his 14th rebound. And puts in his 12th. Shaq. Bubbled it up. Turnover. Marikina on the run. Jason straight all the way. Alanes, but they get the ball back off the offensive rebound. Alanes attacks. No. Follow-up is gone for him. Pasibas. Fading away. Good! Pitch ahead to Casajeros. 12 seconds left. Collado, open look. Dilua. That was half. How about Marikina? Battling back from 17 points down. And they defeat Valenzuela behind that.